Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching us how you can cut an off-shoulder sleeve very perfectly. So first of all, you need to take your shoulder circumference measurements as seen in this picture. That's the first picture. And then secondly, you need to measure your upper bust circumference measurement. So these are the two basic measurements you need to draft an off-shoulder sleeve. So you can see after measurement, that was what I got. I'll be coming back to that later. Now, to make an off-shoulder sleeve, you need to know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. I have dropped the link in the description box in case you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. Okay, so this is the basic sleeve pattern here. Now, I'm going to fold my sleeve into two, and we need to do some calculations. Okay, so we measured our upper bust circumference and shoulder circumference measurement initially. Okay, so what you'll do now is you're going to subtract the upper bust circumference measurement from the shoulder circumference measurement. So that's 43 minus 36. That's 7 for me. Please, we may not have the same values. Some people can be, the difference can be 6, some can be 8. It depends. So now, this is going to help us determine how much opening is going to be on the off-shoulder sleeve. Now, you fold your basic sleeve pattern into two like this. Okay, you fold it into two like so, and then next you're going to use your tape rule. Now, I got 7 because the sleeve is on fold. I'm going to divide that by 2. So 7 divided by 2 will give me 3.5. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my tape and place my tape across, starting from the fold. Okay, so this is it, upper bust circumference, this is this, and I got 7. So half of 7 is 3.5. Okay, so you can see my tape there. So that is 3.5, and then it should touch the original measurement. That's a red line, not the same allowance, okay, on the red line. Okay, so then you take your ruler and draw a straight line across. So this is the point where you're going to be cutting. So you have a choice of adding the seam allowance to the fabric, or you can mark the seam allowance on the pattern, whichever one you want to. It depends on what you want. Okay, so that's it. That's the point where we're going to be cutting there. But I think I'll add the seam allowance there, since we already have seam allowance on the side of the sleeve and the cap head too. So I'll just add my 1/2 inch seam allowance there, and I'm going to draw a straight line. So you don't need to add seam allowance to the fabric anymore. Okay, now I'm going to cut out and we are done. Like, it's a very, very simple tutorial, but you just need to know how to draft a basic sleeve. Okay, so if you don't know how to do that, I have dropped the link in the description box, or you can find somewhere above on the screen there. I'll be dropping the link there too for you to watch it. So that's all. So that's the part we cut out there, and yeah, that's all about the tutorial. So I hope you found this tutorial very useful. Please leave your comments and reactions. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you always miss out of our tutorials, what you should do is, click on the notification bell. There's a bell that is close to the subscribe button there. Click on it, so that way, each time we upload a new tutorial, you would not miss out. Then just before I go, I know some of us don't know, we normally organize online sewing classes, and we have a new class now. It's a class that teaches you how to make 4 different types of ball gown for kids. Yes, so for those of us that have interest in making dresses for kids, this is a detailed tutorial. It's not here on YouTube. The class is on WhatsApp. All you need to do is to check the description box. There's a link there. Click on the link there, and we'll give you details of the class. And trust me, we're doing a 50% discount. So these are the styles we're going to be learning. These 3 dresses, okay? And I'm still going to add another picture to the slide here. You'll see the 4th style there, yeah? So you're going to be learning all this for 2,500 Nigerian naira. Now the original price is 5k, but we're doing a promo on the kiddies class. So if you would like to enroll for the kiddies class, just click on the link in the description box, or if you can't find that, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I will respond to you individually. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.